I'm going to show you how to install a metal roof.
The product must be kept covered and dry until completely installed. If stacked tiles become wet, they should be immediately separated and dried. Prolonged wetness in the pile will subject the tile to staining and could cause permanent damage of the coating. Rubber-soled athletic type shoes or similar soft-soled footwear are recommended to avoid coating damage and to provide a sure grip for safety. The Continental, wood shake, and shadowline panels are installed from the top down, which should minimize traffic on the completed roof. When walking on the installed tile is required, walk on the front edge of the low sections directly over the batten with the weight on the balls of your feet. Underlayment is generally required by most building codes. Underlayment is not required when re-roofing over existing composition roofs, except in areas of extreme weather conditions. When installing over open rafters, a self-supporting underlayment is recommended equal to Triflex 30. These underlayments should be of the type approved by the local building official. All Met roofing products are produced exclusively from long-lasting Galvalume steel. The Galvalume coating's lifespan may be affected if in direct contact with lead or copper. Also, rainwater runoffs from copper roofs onto an all-Met roof should be avoided. In areas prone to severe ice, snow, water, or wind, additional measures may be required. Please contact our technical department for more detailed procedures. A minimum 2-man crew is recommended from start to finish. This will ensure a cost-effective quality installation. A qualified 2-man crew is generally able to install 1 square per hour under normal circumstances. The stone coating is flexible and some minor stressing on the coating is expected when bending the product. This tends to be more severe in colder weather and if the radius of the bends are too small. We recommend where the bends are exposed, such as valleys, spray acrylic be applied to the bend after installation. It is the responsibility of the contractor or installer to check and meet all of the requirements of the local and national building codes before starting the installation. Some installations require additional precautions to comply with these local codes.